Angkat. As the ball. Crossover. Run. No. Goal by Aaron. Santo Domingo. Angkat. For the time. And goal. Aaron Nako pass the ball. Iverson Shankar down to 7. Shankar winding down. Pull up jumper. And Aaron Nako has the ball on the left side. Giving away. Puts up. 19-foot jumper. That's good for Aaron Nako. Pass net. Here comes Aaron. One point for the layup. That's good. It's now to Aaron. Angkat at the ball. Goes to his love. Run. Up the window. That's good. Aaron has the ball. Right. Let's go.